So curve with equation y equals to 6e to the power of x minus e to the power of 3x has one stationary point. Find the x coordinate of this point and then determine whether this point is a maximum or a minimum point. Okay, first thing. Okay, let's find the gradient for the curve since it has one stationary point. So dy over dx equals to 6e to the power of x minus e to the power of 3x multiplied by positive 3, and this would give us 6e to the power of x minus 3e to the power of 3x. Okay, and since it has one stationary point, we have to equate it to the 0 because at stationary point the gradient is 0. So 6e to the power of x minus 3e to the power of 3x equals to 0. So factorize this, take out 3, so that will give us 2e to the power of x minus e to the power of 3x, and this is equals to 0. So therefore 2e to the power of x minus e to the power of 3x equals to 0. Okay, I think I can take out e to the power of x, and that would give me 2 minus e to the power of 2x equals to 0. So e to the power of x equals to 0, so x equals to undefined or infinity, or 2 minus e to the power of 2x equals to 0. E to the power of 2x equals to 2, so therefore 2x equals to ln 2 and x equals to ln 2 over 2, which gives us 0.34657. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, which has one stationary point, and all they requires is x coordinate, so we have already got that x coordinate. Okay, you don't have to find what is your y coordinate. Okay, part 2. Determine whether this point is a maximum or minimum point. Determine whether it's a maximum or minimum. For maximum and minimum, we have to double differentiate. So d2y over dx2, which is 6e to the power of x, and that's times minus 3 to the power of 3x multiplied by 3. Okay, so I think this will give us 6e to the power of x minus 9e to the power of 3x. Okay, to find out whether it's maximum or minimum, okay, so what I can do, I can replace the x coordinate ln 2 over 2 or 0.34657 into the x, and if it's a negative point, then it will be a maximum point, stationary point. If it's an positive value, the double differentiation, if it's a positive value, then that will indicate that it is a minimum point. Okay, so let's find this. So 6e to the power of ln 2 over 2, okay, and minus 9e 3 bracket ln 2 over 2. So let's use calculator to find this. 6 times e power of okay, and the answer that I'm getting is negative 16.97. So since it's negative, therefore the stationary, okay, the stationary point is a maximum point. Okay.